Hi, today we're going to talk about skincare kits, why you should get them, what else you can do with them, and are they a good buy? Let's talk about it. I've got my reasons as a long-term esthetician of 32 years. Let's go. Okay, like I said, we are going to talk about this because we're first going to talk about should you get them? Yes, I've got two kits here, and I get them when they have sales at either Ulta or Sephora. Also, if you join a membership, which costs nothing, then you can certainly be privy to some of the kits for beauty insiders. This is the one from Sephora. In general, though, no matter what kit you get, and there's so many beauty lines, but when you get a chance, especially around the holidays, wow, do they come out with a lot. To me, this is a good purchase. So money wise, it will pan out. If you can't use these, if you're allergic to them, if they make you break out, this is a good way to try them without purchasing 3 full size, 6 full size when you get overzealous. I think that kits are something you should think about. I do them all the time. So this one, my favorite product in this is the moisturizer with the Glow Recipe. But now I get to try more and to see if it all works for my skin. And I'm super excited. And I'll give you the lowdown once I've tried it all. Like I said, I have tried that Glow Recipe hydrator. It's nice and light. I especially like it in the summer. I buy the full size, and then you can buy the refill when you're done with that. Now, this kit comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more products. And let's see how big they are. And these products range, these kits, I should say, range in size of the products, but this is ample size to try. You want something that you're going to try for 2 weeks, a month is even better. And I believe some of these will go a full month. And that way you can see if they work for your skin type, for your area, whether you're in a humid climate, whether you're in a super cold climate, whether you're super dry and these aren't enough. This is why you want to try them. Another reason why you want to buy kits is they make great gifts. I got some for my daughter-in-law. You get them for your friends. They don't know if they're going to like the whole full size, so it makes great gifts. However, another one is, you guessed it, travel. Travel. These are so easy to travel with. I only travel with carry-on these days, like a lot of us, but I don't bring full size ever with skincare. I bring the minis. So these are perfect. But what it also does is when you buy full size products and you sit them at home or in your cabinet and you think, well, I've already got full size, so I'm going to keep them there and I'm going to try them later. You know, sometimes these things go bad. You don't know how long they've been on the shelf before and how long, what a shelf life they already have. So buy in accordance with what you need. Now, if you do buy multiple, sometimes they have such a smoking hot sale, you have to buy them. Well, try to use them up and maybe only buy 2. I have had clients that would buy 2 or 3 at a time. I have a friend, I think she buys everything 3 to 4 at a time. No, that one product can be in your cabinet for maybe 3 years, and maybe it only had a shelf life of another 6 months by the time you bought it. Use them. If you think some of the products are going to go, use them on your arms, your chest, your neck, your legs. That's how I got my arms looking so good. So these kits, once again, are fabulous. They are also fabulous if you just get bored with the products in general and you want to try them all. You know, not even myself as an esthetician, I'm trying to get this open. I'm not loyal to pretty much any one line. So these give me a chance to try all the new hot products out there and without making a huge purchase and a huge commitment. If I really like them, I do buy the full size so I can tell you how it is for a month or 2 months. And there's some cleansers especially that I've been hooked on that I do use full size products because I know I love them, but this is why. Look at this nice little kit. Wow, I got this as a special price for a beauty insider at Sephora. And I got the famous Laneige, the Water Bank Moisturizer, and their toner. And I believe this is a lip. That's how I started with Laneige. They're very famous for their lip mask. They are wonderful. I used to use it in the facial room, and people just raved about it. So this, I also get 5 things to try from the Laneige line. So I think this is a great way to go. And I know that some of the really big lines have also come, and maybe they'll just put 3 in there, but that's a good time, or 4. But some of the very top lines that I've seen in the Ulta and Sephora do that. And also, if they just have minis to buy, I think that's another great way. You don't want to be overloaded with products. I love kits, love the size, and this is perfect for that preteen or teenager to where they have little faces and little hands. And of course, you really want to watch what they purchase. So you might only want to give them one thing out of the kit so that they can try it on their perfect little skin and their face. But let's face it, this day and age, it's very popular for the young um, children to start younger more so than ever before, but that's okay. You just got to know what you're going to put them on. A basic moisturizer so they feel wonderful, or a nice little cleanser as they start getting little clogged pores on the cute little noses of theirs. So that's another thing that you can do with that. I want to thank you for supporting this channel. And by that, I mean liking and subscribing and commenting. And I love my people who always comment. You know who you are. Thank you. Thank you. And I appreciate it. And as always, these will make your life more fabulous and make your skin look more fabulous. Have fun trying all of it.